This is a 2013 Nissan Juke. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front multi-stage airbags, child seat safety anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Don McGill Toyota of Houston is located at 11800 the Katy Freeway, Interstate 10 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.